Okay, now as a supplement to the weekly lessons, I'm going to give you an extra lesson here that's going to deal with note values, a little bit of theory on note values and how they're written on the musical page. You don't need to read the names, be able to read the names of the notes or know the position on the guitar, because we use tablature for that purpose. But you know, you will get to know the names as your experience increases. But for now, I'm just going to give you a little bit of information on note values and how long each note is held for, because that's important in terms of musical phrasing. Where tablature falls down is exactly in that respect, that we don't know how long to hold a note, each note on for, unless you particularly know the solo or the riff that you're playing. So in addition to tab, we use a little bit of standard notation, and that's the purpose of today's supplement lesson, is to show you the note, the value of each note and how long to hold it on for. And each note comes with a different name. So we have whole notes that are held on for full 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's called a whole note because it covers the whole of the bar, the full 4 beats in the bar, whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the symbol of that note will be coming up on your screen as we play through. We have a half note that's worth 2 beats. So we can play each of that note we can play twice in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got quarter notes, which just last 1 beat. So each note's played on each beat of the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm going to demonstrate this with the metronome as we go. And then we've got smaller note values than that. So from those we have 1/8 notes, or they're also known as quavers. 1/8 notes are worth half a beat each. So this is when we count in half beats: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the note values keep getting smaller in denominations. We have 16th notes and so on and so forth, which get quicker and quicker. And so, like I said, we have to play those notes to a specific set timing. So I'm going to demonstrate that now with the metronome. And again, the note, the shape of the note and how it looks on the standard music notation is going to be coming up on your screen. So I'm going to set the metronome here to 80 beats per minute, and then demonstrate each note as we go. Okay, so whole note first of all, which lasts the full length of the bar, full 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A half note, which lasts 2 beats, which I can place twice in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the quarter note beats, which are played on each beat of the bar, so 4 beats in each bar there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 1/8 note value, which is a half beat, worth a half beat. So we can put 8 of those in each bar, and we count like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and often with quavers, when we're playing quaver notes, we use a technique called alternate picking, which I'm going to get onto in future lessons. At the moment, you're only playing down picks on your scales and your instrumentals. We can play those 1/8 notes in alternate picks: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like I said, the notes get smaller and with each denomination. So from there we go on to 16th notes and so on and so forth. But we're just going to stick to those particular note values for now, because that is all you're going to need in your playing in the coming weeks. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit in terms of determining which notes are held on for how long and how they're played. And those notes will appear then above your tablature when we're learning new instrumentals.